Welcome to the overview for SED 392, Content Strategies, Analysis, and Collaboration. There are three components of your grade in SED 392, and these are the key assignments that make up those components. The first key assignment is the essential application for 392, which is the unit application. The unit application is worth 40% of your SED 392 grade. In the unit application, you will create and instruct on a sequence of 3 to 5 instructional plans. You will make sure that these are connected to grade-appropriate standards while specifying the learning outcomes for the end of the unit as a whole, as well as the lesson objectives for each one of the instructional plans within the unit. You'll develop an assessment plan to assess your students at the end of the unit to ensure learning. You will speak to how you plan for the learning environment, your differentiation of instruction for your learners, all while considering IEP strengths and needs of your learners. The next piece of the key assignments are instructional plans, and those are worth 30% of your SED 392 grade. There are 3 different assignments within the instructional plans segment. The first is a peer review. The peer review is when you will record yourself teaching your first content area, upload it to Mosaic, and you will share with peers within your group. You will watch your peers' videos, and your peers will watch your video, all while looking at the instructional plan that is aligned with the video that was submitted. Once you have watched the videos and you have reviewed the plan, you will give your peers constructive feedback as well as positive praise. The last piece of the key assignments in SED 392 are choice boards. The choice boards cover activities that you will be creating for the learners in your classroom with science and social studies topics. There are actually separate videos on how to create the choice boards, the rubric for the choice boards, and the criteria for the choice boards, so as not to create any confusion. This is also something that we will be going over in class. There will be 6 choice boards that are due across the semester, and they are each worth 10 points apiece for a total of 60 points. Please let me know if you have any questions on SED 392. Thank you for your time and attention.